Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so imatch elandelayo ye-Orlando Pirates bawudlala against iMagesi FC le e-Orlando Stadium le e-Orlando Amstel Arena bafethu akuseseyona i-Orlando Stadium. So le match le izodlala ngo-6 ntambama. Le match izobaluleke kakhulu for i-Orlando Pirates ngoba bayawudinga u3 points. Njengoba udinga nje u3 points, ama-fans kumele afike ngobuningi azosupporta i-Orlando Pirates. So ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction yami yale match. Ungangitshela nawe eyakho i-lineup prediction kuma-comments, ungayigxeke yami, ungitshele yakho wena ukuthi izoba kanjani. Yabona ngifuna ukuyibona eyakho. But ngiyayibona bafethu le match le, ngiyayibona ne-layout ye-stadium esisha se-Orlando Pirates. So ngiqala nje ebhaleni. First and foremost, I think ngiyalwazi udaba Sipho Chain is the goalkeeper ozovimba kule game lesoyidlala kusasa against iMagesi FC. Wena ngokwakho ungangitshela ukuthi which goalkeeper would you like to see being given a chance against iMagesi FC? But for me, I think we need 3 points the most. Angimele siloku sifuna uku-experiment kakhulu, kumele senze izinto zenzeke kusasa. Sesiza kuma-defenders, kuma-center backs, yabo. Ma-center backs, I think Mpho Tshabalala for me ngingamqalisa against iMagesi, ngiqalise naye futhi uLebone Siyema. The reason why ngimqalisa lo mjida lo Mpho Tshabalala, he has played each and every game for iMarimo Gallants. Yabo, uyalwazi udaba bafethu ubedlala umjida. Yabo, it's not like umjida ubengadlali, ubedlala vele kwi-Marimo Gallants. So naku-Orlando Pirates for me mina ngamqalisa kwiMagesi FC, ngimqalise futhi benaye uLebone Siyema. Umjida unayo height, umjida usebenzisa uleft kahle. uLebone Siyema ba balance about 2. Yabo, this is a balanced center back pairing. But ke wena ungangitshela ukuthi ungaqalisa ba, ungamqalisa yini uSibisi kulela position leya, noma ungaqalisa ba uXoki, ungangitshela usehambile phela uLisanda. Ukuba uLisanda ubese khona bengambeka lapho uLisanda aqale with uLebone Siyema. But ke izinto bafuthi nizwile nani uhambile uLisanda. Mase ukuthi kuma wing backs ngaqalisa bani uSibelebele as a right wing back. Mase ukuthi i-left wing back yami ngiqalise bani, ngiqalise uNdaba. Yabo, Sibelebele for me, I don't see Sibelebele as a right winger. Yabo, I don't see him as a right winger, but I see him as a right wing back. Yabo, if we play him as a right wing back, uzosinikeza something uma siya forward, because remember we are playing against the Magesi side esazi kahle ukuthi abajida bazohlala kakhulu emuva. Kade bagcina ukudlala, but the last time they played i-game bagcina umhla 3 December. Yabo, bane rusty nje, kade bagcina ukudlala. So bazohlala kakhulu emuva because they know this Orlando Pirates side just played against the Sekhukhune side, lapho khona bedlale khona neSekhukhune sabahlalela khona emuva sanganyakaza kakhulu, bakwazi bahambe namaphuzu. So na iMagesi izosebenzisa the same concept against the Orlando Pirates. So starting uSibelebele as a right wing back, Sibelebele will provide something for i-winger elizobedlala ka-right, same as uNdaba ungidlalele kahle kakhulu against iSekhukhune United, ubekwazi uku-overlapper ayiphambili awasebenzisana nabo Morimo. Umjida ubedlala kahle kakhulu. So ngingaqalisa i4 at the back. Ungangitshela wena ngokwakho, do you think labajida bazokwazi ukuthi basisize sihambe ne-clean sheets against iMagesi FC? Masukuthi ke lapha ku number 6 I don't think kule game le kumele sibe defensive. Yabo, mhlambe ke omunye ngasho uthi Vane why ustarta uMbatha ahead of Makehleni Makhawula. I saw Makehleni Makhawula the last time we played. Makehleni Makhawula had a lot of errors. Yabo, we don't really need errors in this kind of game. Yes, we need to be defensive at some point, but if you are looking at the game that is uyidlala, ngeke basipresse kakhulu. Yabo, njengoba ngeke basipresse nje kakhulu, you need ball playing players abazokwazi bakudlalela ibhola, bakumovele ibhola. So a player like uTalent Mbatha akwazi ukuthi akwenzele lokho, aphinde futhi abuye azoba defensive, akwazi ukuthi size team ikwazi ukuthi i-defend. Yabo, so a player like uTalent Mbatha for me can do the job in that number 6 position. Yabo, angimele nje sibe defensive, kumele simove ibhola because sizobe singaliphethe, lizobe liphethwe ithini ibhola. Yabo, njengoba kumele liphethwe ithina nje ibhola, kumele siye kubona. Mase ukuthi abadlali bazodlala phambi kwakhe ke number 8 ngaqalisa bani na? Ngaqalisa uMasindi Nemtajela. Masidi Nemtajela umjida ubengekho last game ngosikhathi sidlala neSekhukhune because ubethole i-yellow card, ubenama yellow card amaningi kakhulu ukuthi adlale, so ube suspended. Yabo, so ngambuyisa kule game lesoyidlala against iMagesi because we need players who will move the ball forward. We need players who will create chances for the team. So I will start with a 8 with a number 10 okubani okurelebohile Mofokeng. Mofokeng, I will start him as a number 10. I think we must integrate Mofokeng as that number 10 or starter umjito waziyo ukuqala as a number 10, because you saw the last game when we introduced him as a number 10 for Orlando Pirates, he gave us something. Yabo, some players uma be-introduced as a number 10 abajwayele ukuthi benze lento ayenzile umjito. Uma simdlalisa as i-winger akasinikezi leyo nto yabo. He is not that effective uma eyi-winger, but more centrally nowadays he is performing very very good. Yabo, ngiyayithanda lento uJose Rivero ayenza before ahambe ku-Orlando Pirates ukumjida aloke emi-introducer kuleya section kancane kancane lokumfaka lapha as number 10. Right now umjida it looks like usevuthiwe, okuyikona ukuthi ucoach akakabelieve kakhulu kuyena ukuthi amdlalise as number 10. I feel like ucoach kumele amfake Mofokeng, amnikeze ithemba lokuthi uyena manje kumele abe number 10. So for me, number 10 position I would start Mofokeng lapha. Masuthi kuma-wingers kule game le kumele siqine from the start. So ka right winger ngaqalisa bani Osuna Police, masukuthi ka left ngaqalisa bani, ngingaqalisa uTshepa Moremi. I don't think kumele ngichaze nje kakhulu ukuthi why ngibaqalisa labajita bayawazi umsebenzi wabo. Yabo, so far niyayibona ilineup yami. Yabo, so far niyayibona imove forward the back. So uNdaba uzo-avalepha akwazi ukusebenzisana noMoremi lapha kushaya 1-2 kushaya ama-cross, same as ka-right kumele ibe strong. Last game i-right hand side ithi yayi-weak kakhulu. Yabo, yayi-weak kakhulu. So kule game le kumele ibe strong, sithole usibelebelo, umdlalo one-pace, umdlalo okwaziyo aye phambili with strength, same as Osuna Police unayo i-pace, unayo strength, bazokwazi ukuthi ba-deliver amabhola for unumber 9 ozobe khona for i-Orlando Pirates njengoba siyodlala nje against iMagesi FC. Siyazi ke iMagesi ihlala kakhulu emuva, so awusidingi istriker ama-numbers naso phambili. Udinga istrikers njengoMakgopa esokwazi ukudrawa i-defense, ithi ukubuya kancane i-defense. Yabo, uMakgopa uyakwazi ukucaluza laphana asebenzise i-defense. The more uMakgopa enza lokho, the more ama-defenders eMagesi evula i-base for ama-forwards ukuthi a-create ama-chances, akore ama-goal for ama-forwards ethu. I count these right wing backs as ama-forward for i-Orlando Pirates kule game le soyidlala. Yabo, so wena wakho ungangitshela ukuthi i-lineup yakho ungayisetha kanjani, but ke for me 4-3-3 abo traditional Orlando Pirates lineup. Jabatsane with uSiyema, masokuthi busibelebele, uNdaba, uMbatha, Masindi Nemtajela, masokuthi Mofokeng as number 10, masokuthi Osuna Police as right winger, masokuthi Moremi as left winger, ngithi up front ngithi Makgopa. Mhlawumbe bengamdlalisa mhlawumbe uDeyong, maybe noMbothuma, but ke wena ngokwakho ubuwangitshela ukuthi ubungadlalisa ba. Ungangitshela ama-comments, ungayigxeke.